Come test drive the 2014 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, power sunroof, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated steering wheel, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.